Have you ever wondered how to supercharge your productivity without breaking the bank? Well, investing in the right tools can be a game changer. But where do you find these tools? Meet Appsumo, a platform that curates some of the best deals on productivity apps. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or just someone looking to streamline your workflow, Appsumo has something for everyone. Today, we are diving into exceptional tools that can transform the way you work. Blogify, Synthesis AI Studio, and SpeechKey. First up, let us explore Blogify, a game changer in the world of content creation. With the age of AI upon us, Blogify is leading the charge by offering AI-generated content that's not only current and engaging, but also tailored to your specific needs. Imagine having a tireless writer at your disposal, churning out high-quality content round the clock. That's Blogify for you. But it's not just about content generation. Blogify also comes packed with SEO optimization tools designed to help your content reach the right audience. It's like having your own digital marketing team constantly working to make sure your content is seen by those who matter. Now, let's talk about the interface. Blogify is designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their tech savviness. It's an intuitive platform where creating, editing, and optimizing content is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So, what are the benefits of using Blogify? Well, for starters, it saves you a lot of time. No more spending hours on end trying to come up with engaging content. With Blogify, you can focus on what you do best, while it takes care of the content creation. Moreover, the quality of your content improves significantly. With AI at the helm, you get content that's not just grammatically correct, but also engaging and relevant to your audience. With Blogify, creating high-quality SEO-friendly content becomes a breeze. Moving on, let's delve into the future of visual content creation with Synthesis AI Studio. Imagine a world where creating stunning 3D models is as easy as pie, thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. Well, that's precisely the world Synthesis AI Studio is striving to materialize. Synthesis AI Studio is a trailblazer offering AI-powered 3D modeling that revolutionizes the way we create. It's not just about creating models though. The real-time rendering feature allows you to see your designs come to life instantaneously, eliminating the tedious waiting game that's all too common in the design world. But what makes Synthesis AI Studio truly stand out is its intuitive design tools. These tools make the process of creating and editing 3D models a breeze, even for those who aren't tech savvy. It's all about making professional grade design accessible to everyone. Now, let's talk benefits. Synthesis AI Studio is a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their visual content. It not only improves the quality of your creations, but also significantly reduces the time required for production. This means more time for brainstorming and less time wrestling with complicated software. In a world where time is of the essence and quality is king, Synthesis AI Studio is truly a game for creators and designers alike. It's not just a tool, it's a catalyst for creativity. So if you are in the creative field, or even if you are just a tech enthusiast, this is one deal you don't want to miss. Synthesis AI Studio, truly a gift for creators and designers alike. Next, let's talk about SpeechKey, an innovation in text-to-speech technology. Now imagine having an assistant that can read out your scripts, articles, or books in a natural sounding voice. That's what SpeechKey is all about. It's not just any robotic voice, but a human-like voice that brings your text to life. With SpeechKey, you have a plethora of voices to choose from, spanning across multiple languages. This allows you to reach a global audience, breaking language barriers like never before. But the magic doesn't stop there. SpeechKey's easy-to-use interface makes it a breeze to convert your text into speech. Just paste your text, select your voice, and voila, your voice voiceover is ready. But why use SpeechKey? Well, apart from making your content more accessible, it saves you the time and effort of recording voiceovers. Picture this: transforming your blog into a podcast or your ebook into an audiobook, all in a matter of minutes. SpeechKey, making content accessible for all, one voice at a time. So, Blogify, your personal content creator. Synthesis AI Studio, the mastermind behind your next big project. And SpeechKey, the voice assistant that's got your back. Each with unique features, benefits, and the potential to supercharge your productivity. Don't forget, these are lifetime deals available on Appsumo. So the question is, which tool will you invest in to supercharge your productivity? Now watch this video next to discover the secrets to grow an online business, because we believe this is the path we have to follow to take back control of our lives. See you in the next one.